this is Hassan from HDFX, and let's talk about XRP USD. So today I want to do a little bit different. I actually posted this idea before, but because I made a mistake about it, they banned the idea because I think I put some type of link or something. I didn't know the House of Rules that's so good back then. So I should do it again, so for you guys to see. Well, in this, actually, it is actually better for you guys to listen to me in this than rather just looking at picture two. So it's important. Now, what did I do here? Well, what my idea was try to show you how this Elliott waves. Not I'm not do Elliott waves here so much, but how this Fib works so good with this when you combine with the patterns. Okay. So, for example, this is a head and shoulder pattern. This is the length of the move after this neckline is broken, and then this is some type of flag or whatever, pennant, whatever you want to call it, and another one going down. Okay, so what I did here, for example, I did take this length of this pennant broken, okay, this length of it, and I measured it and I said it is 1 fib, so it's like 100. And I did take, and then I did go here and I did like this. Then I did take also 618 of this length and 10618 of it. And it's so I saw some interesting results. Okay, so look, if you take this 1 fib and take 161 point, this is from the head to the neckline is actually 161.8 of this fib. And also from the neckline to this, if you take this, it's exactly the same. Also, this is 161.8 of the two first legs. Okay, so what I mean is this. I think what I did here, I took this length and I took a fib here, such as, let me show it to you. Fib retracement, taking like this and take 161.8 of it, and is it like this? Oh, no, I'm sorry, no, but this is a 618. This is where this level ends. Yes, I'm sorry. So this is where the level ends. Look, this probably the triangle shape ended here. So we did something like ABCX and ABCDE, and this is where this triangle pattern ends. It does look something like this. This is what I meant. So this triangle ends here. And also this move from top to the down is 618. Just from this trend line to the up is 618. This is 618 as well. This is one here from this. From this is 618 So what I'm trying to say is sometimes when you understand the length of some waves, you can use it to your advantage by adding it to this further down analysis. Okay, so this is something very useful. Also, when you're trading, don't think that just by drawing a trend line it's not useful. Okay, it's useful all the time. Look at this trend line, for example, how many times it worked. So it can give you a little bit more clue about it. For example, if I draw this a little bit more here, and if this trend line came here, what I would do is I would actually, if I was short, I would think twice about still being in short if I'm just trading in a small time frame. Okay, so this is how it looks like from this perspective. Now let's clear this and let's look the same way from a weekly perspective, how this is going on. Okay. From this weekly chart, what do we see? So, what I see here is this. We made a wave A, a B, and a C. So, this is a wave A, this is a wave B, this is a wave C. It does look like. And maybe the C wave, fifth wave of the C wave, probably a terminal move. So, if this is the deal, let's check if this ABC is a zigzag or it is a flat. Okay, so what I should do, I take my horizontal ray here and take this wave A. So the length of from 0 to wave A. What are we doing? We are trying to find where this wave B did go. As you can see, it's nowhere near 618. So what does this mean? It means that this is a zigzag situation. So after this zigzag, what do we have? Well, if we did also, we should check if this ABC by itself it is a simple correction or no. So if you do 0 to B trend line, this how long it take, it didn't come back to the B level, so it means that this whatever this started after the C wave has to be an X wave. Now is the X wave ended here or here or here? We don't know it yet. So let's try to play with the possibilities. So if this wave X is ended here, what is this? What can it be? Well, to me, it does look like it is not a very good place for a wave X to end. So where I put it, I would put it here, and maybe on the lower degree, I would think something like this. So if I want to take lower degree, I will just change color this time because I don't want it to be so much smaller. So I would have a wave A somewhere here and a B here, and I would think that this is by itself a flat with a C failure. This is what it looks like to me. So after this, so we have A, B, C, X. So what are we looking for? Well, we are looking for a wave A. So can this be wave A? Yes, it can. Can this be wave A? Yes, it can. Can this be wave A not done yet? Yes, it can. So when you're making your analysis, don't ever forget this, okay? Now, one of the most important things, one of the most important mistakes that I see this Elliott Wave traders do usually is this. Now, if I put wave A here, let's say, okay, there's a chance that this is not the wave A here, but this is one lower degree wave A that will be part of this wave, okay? So you cannot know that this is the wave A, that degree that we are looking for. Remember, the red one is the bigger one. Now we don't know if the wave A is here or we are in only the part of this wave A here. I hope it does make sense. So for example, let me do an example. So if we have a wave A here and a wave B here and a wave C here, okay, and it looks like maybe we have a wave X here, and then we will have another correction. So let's say that the market will do something like A, B, C, D, and a E. So this type of triangle formation, if the market is doing this. So let's go back. If it does something like this, something like this, after this E wave, prices go up. Now maybe this is the wave A. Okay. Also, if I want to trick you even a little bit more, I can even say this can be 2. All of this will be the wave A on this, and all of this will be in even one lower degree. So if I say, let's say this is in one lower degree, so in blue. So the blue ABC X will be done, and it will give us this A in this degree. It will be A, B, C, D, or ABC, something like this, and that will give this wave A2. Okay, so don't ever forget the power of this bigger degree moves. Okay, but let's go back for a second. So this is why this Elliott wave is so tricky. So if it's A, B, C, and X, we are doing like, if you are waiting for something like this, then if we have a wave A here, we will need to go for a B wave to the upside. Now, if this is not the case, we may have something like this. So we may have something like this. So maybe we already completed wave A here, or wave A here, and we have a B wave somewhere here. Maybe we have a C wave somewhere here. Okay, ABC. Now, we either from the 0 to B trend line. As you can see, it doesn't confirm. So this cannot be the end of the wave. So what I do, okay, I will say this ABC is just a flat that will still go on. Yes. So if it will still go on, it means we need another X wave, because this price action didn't confirm this in time. So what it means? It means this. I should be looking for BBB trend line. Okay. So after this wave A, we need another B. It should come here. So I will say whatever this is a triple combination. But why it will not be a triple combination? Well, but I think it will not. If it's not, if it's a triple combination, it means that on the same degree, the price cannot go all the way back to the here. In that case, it means that this crypto will no longer be valuable. So it will never go to its absolute high. And if you're thinking that the cryptos are the future, and if this crypto XRP cannot even go to 3.33, then it's not good. So I would rather assume, instead of this triple combination, I would rather assume we will have something like ABC and no, I'm sorry, in red, ABCX, maybe ABCDE as a triangle, some type of triangle. Here can happen as a double combination, something like this should do the trick to go higher up. It can take, of course, longer time. Or like I said, maybe we are only in a wave A of one lower degree. So this is how it looks like from Elliott Wave perspective. And I did show you this other idea too. So I hope this does made little bit sense to you guys. So thank you so much, and see you on the next one.